So, suppose you're wondering, what are you doing in the dark? But you know, I could be asking you guys the same question. What are you doing in the dark? Oh, shh, I think Katrina's home. I'm vlogging in the closet. She's probably gonna open the door.
It's late.
Yeah, it's so late.
Where are you?
Nowhere, I'm not in the closet.
Why are you hiding in the closet?
I'm not hiding in the closet.
Were you gonna jump out?
No, I'm not gonna jump out. Anyways, yeah, sorry for yesterday vlog being boring. Oh, hi.
You doing a vlog now?
Yeah,
Where is it?
it's right there.
I like your flashlight.
Isn't that nice? Yeah. We're live right now. You're gonna give people watching seizures.
I'm all sweaty
Why?
and yucky.
Why are you getting in the camera then?
It was really muggy and hot,
It is muggy. It's been overcast, but it's still muggy.
and I had to walk everywhere, all over the island. But it was fun. We got to see Etsuko and Jean.
Yeah? Yeah, they're
And
awesome.
I have a lot of free fruit.
Free fruit, yay!
Free fruits!
Not Mekons though.
Not yet. Not yet.
Mekons are awesome.
It's not pecan season yet.
Okay, well, there went this vlog. I think tomorrow's gonna be more exciting, and I might not scare you. We'll see. I might not put you in the dark, and it looks like she's gonna show you some squash, some pumpkins. Let's turn off the underlight. I don't know if does that work?
Oh, these are pears from Tokyo.
Oh,
And snacks.
yeah? Did you get the cutting board?
No.
What?
I gave up on the cutting board.
You gave up?
Fireworks. They were on sale because it's the end of summer. 20% off.
We can't show them everything, honey. Honey,
And
we can't
cakey stuff.
we can't show them everything. It's gonna get too long, okay?
I got the hookup.
All right, we're gonna end this video. Goodbye.